Hello! So, typhoon weekend. This last weekend there was a big typhoon. Instead of staying in, I managed to meet with some friends. I went to Yorihama for the Minato Shrine Festival. I knew a couple of the ALTs who would be carrying the shrine around Hashisu. The day ended up being really nice. However, part of the festival involves the men taking one of the shrines into the ocean. The waves were really intense due to the typhoon from the day before, so the men managed to make it out a little, but they couldn't take it far because of the waves. It was a really neat festival though. One of the priests even said it's rare for people to carry a shrine into the ocean like that. I had so much fun watching the men carry the shrine because they would pretend to run into all the women since it was the goddess of jealousy. They even charged at my friends and I. Thank you.